You remember the widespread violence that gripped West Bengal immediately after assembly election results on May the 2nd? Well, the High Court of Calcutta had ordered a probe by the National Human Rights Commission on June 18th. This is something that made the Bengal government very unhappy because it was in effect an external investigation that had been ordered. So they petitioned the High Court saying, please cancel your order. But today the High Court said nothing doing. That probe will continue, and it's a big setback for the Mamata government. Take a look. Violence, vandalism, arson. The eruption was instantaneous. Just minutes after Mamata's huge victory in Bengal on the 2nd of May, these were the scenes in the state. Weeks of vicious finger-pointing followed between the Trinamool and the BJP. But justice for victims remained embroiled in the political crossfire. Over a month later, on June the 18th, the Calcutta High Court ordered the National Human Rights Commission to form a panel to examine the post-poll violence. An order that came as a huge embarrassment to the new Mamata government. But now, there's been another big setback to her. Dismissing a petition from the Mamata government, the Calcutta High Court has refused to recall or stay its order on that external probe. The High Court says, after hearing the parties, it does not find any case for recalling or staying its June 18th order. This comes as the next big setback to the Bengal government.
आजादी के बाद पोस्ट पोल वायलेंस इतना भयानक, इतनी बर्बरता का, इतना आतंकी कभी पहले देखा नहीं। You can't have confrontation with every constitutional outfit. You can't be in confrontation mode with the central government, with the governor, and now you are not sparing even other institutions.
हमारे लोकतंत्र में शायद पहली बार देख रही हूं कि एक मुख्यमंत्री एक राज्य में लोगों को सजाए मौत होते इसलिए देख रही है क्योंकि उन्होंने मुख्यमंत्री के पक्ष के लिए वोट नहीं किया। पहले तो उनके हाथ खून से सने हुए थे, अब दामन पर भी महिला के अत्याचार के दाग हैं।
The order in question was passed while the court was hearing a public interest litigation claiming that the state government did not act against the violence. The PIL had also stated that political attacks led to displacement of people from their residences, physical assault, destruction of property, and ransacking of offices. The state government had moved the High Court seeking a recall of this order, saying it was passed without giving the state an opportunity to file its response, only to be snubbed now.
Court has observed today is that there are so many complaints which have gone to the NHRC, to the West Bengal State Legal Services Authorities, but not a single to the State Human Rights Commission, nor have they presented any such complaint before the court. So why is it so? Is the state reluctant? Is the administration reluctant to bring the truth before the court?
The order means the National Human Rights Commission gets to continue its probe into some of the most vicious post-poll violence in the country.
The High Court setback for Mamata comes while there is still suspense over a possible external special investigation team probe. Multiple victims of violence have petitioned India's Supreme Court. An SIT probe would be the biggest setback of all for Bengal government's continuous efforts to starve off any external probe.
As the BJP draws strength from the High Court order and Team Mamata strategizes for the next steps, an order from the Supreme Court is still awaited. With Prema Rajaram in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today. On this latest development, joining me live, Priyanka Tibrewal, spokesperson of the Bengal BJP, also an advocate with the Supreme Court and the Calcutta High Court. Biswajit Deb, spokesperson of the Trinamool, also a senior advocate and former Advocate General. Welcome to you both. Biswajit ji, to you first. Your reactions to this? The Calcutta High Court has dismissed the Bengal government's petition asking for that order on the National Human Rights Commission probe to be taken back. So that probe is going to take place. It's going to continue. And it is, in effect, a setback to your government because you didn't want this.
I don't agree to that. Well, so far as the Honorable High Court's order is concerned, I don't want to comment on that because that's the order which has been passed by the Honorable High Court. We have complete faith and trust and respect for the judiciary. But still I would like to point out certain aspects regarding this entire issue. Well, we do agree that there were some sporadic incidents prior to 5th of May 2021, before Mamata Banerjee was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Bengal, when the entire law and order was under the Election Commission of India. But post 5th May 2021, the incidents were very few, and the state administration stepped into each and every complaint and took necessary action, and even the local party officers also took initiative to solve the issues at the local level. But the problem is this: the BJP had not only taken up this issue politically, but also due to oblique motive and political considerations. They have, please let me finish. Please let me finish.
Okay, just one small interjection. One small interjection.
Yes, please.
My small interjection, Biswajit Da, is, you are calling them sporadic incidents. I'm not saying that the Calcutta High Court has observed on the nature of the incidents at all. Both of you are lawyers, you know this better than me. But by ordering this NHRC probe, don't you think that at least prima facie dismisses the notion that these are sporadic attacks? Ordering an NHRC probe is a big deal.
I am coming to that. Please
Yes.
let me finish.
Please.
Please let me finish. Now, thereafter there was some, deliberately they had filed certain false allegations. BJP as a party, they had filed certain false allegations before the state agency and before the State Legal Services Authority due to political motive and oblique considerations. But you see, the problem is, again BJP is politically trying to encash the entire situation from today's High Court's order.
Okay.
You see, there is no wrong in High Court observing that the matter should be taken up before the National Human Rights Commission. Let the Human Rights Commission inquire. Let the Human Rights Commission look into the entire matter. We welcome.
But you didn't welcome it before this. You didn't want it to happen.
One thing.
Finish quickly, then I'll get Priyanka in. To respond.
Let me make it clear that there is every scope of the state going for an appeal against this order.
Okay.
I would like to clarify
Sure.
again that there is every scope for the state government to go for an appeal against this order
in the Supreme Court. Understood. Priyanka, the Trinamool says that this is not a setback. They see it differently. It is basically the fruits of persistent politicization and fake complaints foisted by the BJP that has resulted in this current situation. That is a summary of what Biswajit Deb has basically said, and they welcome this probe even though they didn't want it earlier.
Well, very good evening, Shiv. The rhetoric approach of Mr. Deb would not lead anywhere, because we have seen there have been stinging observations by the High Court today, which they have made in their order, and that has been said very well in the order that enough and ample time was given to the police administration in West Bengal when the West Bengal Service Legal Authorities was asked to take complaints. Complaints were sent to the Legal Service Authority. Along with that, it were always also forwarded to the police administration, but they sat tight over it. They did not take any action. And I do not say so. The report filed by the West Bengal State Legal Services Authority says so. That is the reason that NHRC was brought. And when the NHRC is brought here to form a committee and to inquire and investigate what has happened and to file a report, now they were so scared that they went for a recalling. And this is what happened, that the order of recalling or any kind of modification was dismissed today because the court felt that there was no case which was made out. See, I don't understand that NHRC stepping into West Bengal and inquiring into whatever violence or whatever was there and filing a report. How does it prejudice the state? How is the state affected?
Okay.
There is any kind of substantial injury to the state on this. They are scared because they know that whatever they were covering up, whatever what they were trying to clear, all the findings against their officers will now come out in the form of a report.
The BJP says it is feeling vindicated because the Trinamool has so far been trying to cover up this, and the institution of an NHRC probe means the Trinamool does not have control over the probe anymore, and that's why the nervousness. Yes, answer that.
I don't agree to it. I completely disagree to it, because the reason is law and order is a state subject, and the state government was very well handling the entire issue, and whatever complaints were being submitted, these complaints were looked into by the state government and steps were taken. But you see, High Court has never observed that all these allegations have been proved beyond reasonable doubt. They have just, the Honorable High Court has just ordered for a probe, and that's too by the NHRC. So
No.
there is nothing
No.
wrong in that. But again, I am repeating.
No, Mr. Dev,
Again, I am repeating.
you are incorrect.
But that is isn't that a disingenuous? But Biswajit, I don't mean. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but your government did not want this probe. So how can you say you welcome the probe now? You literally went to the Calcutta High Court saying, please cancel your order.
We still insist on that, because you see, I am again repeating that state government has taken several steps to see that the violence is curbed, and all positive steps were taken by the state government. But the way the matter has been placed before the Honorable High Court,
Okay.
allegations were there, allegations have been sent to the NHRC for the purpose of inquiry. But that doesn't mean, I'm again repeating, that this is the final verdict.
Okay. Okay.
There is
Understood.
every scope, and there is every option.
In the meantime, the
for us,
probe will continue.
Honorable Supreme Court.
In
There
the
is every
meantime.
scope and option for us to move the Honorable Supreme Court.
Okay, the option for you're making that point again. The option to move the Supreme Court is, of course, there. Both of you are lawyers. I'm sure you understand that as well. That the option of appeal is always there. Priyanka, there is another. There are other pleas before the Supreme Court already. Whether or not this is appealed in the Supreme Court, there are also pleas by certain persons in Bengal calling for not an NHRC probe, that's already been ordered, but a special investigation team order, which would be, the big daddy of investigations with the Supreme Court. That is yet to be ruled upon. So isn't that the order that the BJP is really waiting for? The NHRC can ultimately only be an interim investigation.
Shiv, in the hearing today, that is what the court observed, that the state, in one of their affidavits in Supreme Court, they had said that please do not look into these matters because these are being heard by the High Court in Calcutta. So that is the reason they asked them not to interfere. And in the High Court, they are saying that no, in the High Court, they said that there was no violence at all.
Yeah.
This was their affidavit which has been filed, which is on record. So now when the NHRC steps in and there are reports of the West Bengal State Legal Services Authority mentioning that there are incidents of violence, not before, but after the 5th, which are continuing till date. So how and where and when will they prove that whatever they were saying in the Supreme Court, is that true, or what they mentioned here in the High Court on an affidavit, mind it, whether that is true or not. So they will have to face a tough time, because on oath, they have written everything which is untrue and which will be found out through the reports which will be filed by the NHRC.
Okay, I'm out of time, but thank you to the both of you for joining me on this. The point is, the BJP claims vindication. The Trinamool says bring it on. This is not a setback for the Mamata Banerjee government. It could be appealed in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court is still to observe in response to petitions calling for a special investigation team. So this story is far from over. In fact, it is escalating with each passing day. We will keep bringing you the latest. Biswajit Deb, Priyanka Tibrewal, thank you very much for being with me. That's it on 5 Live. Thank you for being with me. Up next, 6 p.m. Prime with